Welcome to RAISINS, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, click the Analysis of Experiment tab and choose CRD Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the treatment column, then choose one or more observation columns. Click Run Analysis and just like that, your results are ready. No calculations, no stress, just tailor-made outputs. You can copy and paste straight into your report, download them in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. It's that easy. In the Summary Statistics tab, you'll find clean tables for each observation. Detailed ANOVA tables are available in the individual ANOVA tab. Need visuals? Go to the Basic Plot tab and create presentation-ready box plots, violin plots, connected line plots, and bar graphs, fully customizable. The Advanced Plot tab gives you access to insightful, customizable visualizations. For quick, smart summaries, visit the AI Interpretation tab, where RAISIN's Assistant breaks down your analysis with clear insights. And if you've got 3 or more observations, unlock multivariate tools like ANOVA or PCA in the Multivariate tab, with downloadable results at your fingertips. RAISINS, where your data analysis becomes effortless,